Alright, Grand Rising, everyone. It's Shay Seeking, and welcome back. So, alright, so we still got Hosea on the mind, on the brain. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and continue reading, because there seems to be some kind of energy here. Okay, because this is talking about the Lord that came to Hosea. This is Lord energy here, okay? Coming to these particular people in this time. It is a Lord in all caps, so this makes me think this is a powerful being, okay? It could be somebody of the dark, that leans more towards the dark or light, or veers somewhere in between, okay? When it comes to certain individuals or certain entities or certain things, all right? So I do feel like this is a family betrayal dynamic here. Like I said, I feel like I was started to shuffle the cards and play with them as I was just reading this one part to see where we stopped last night. And the King of Pentacles came out, okay? Now this Taurus makes me think of King of Pentacle energy, okay? But at some point in time, both of these masculines, Scorpio and Gemini, and possibly two masculines that are in the background, were King of Pentacle energy as well. Okay, so we have the Lovers that just came out. Okay, I feel like there's a whole bunch of cock blocking energy. I feel like there's a whole bunch of, like I said, motherly energies and mothers that are holding on to men that they should let go of for their daughters, right? But they still have their hooks in them. These are older women that need to go ahead and pass over, pass on, move on, pass the torch, whatever they need to do, okay? These are the ones that are coming after the holy womb, okay? And it's so funny because a soul sibling of mine just did a video. I couldn't even finish her video, okay? I couldn't even finish her video because it was so on point that I couldn't even just finish it, okay? I have to go back to it, but this was what was on my mind, okay? So again, I feel like when it comes to channeling music, sometimes I do channel for a couple of minutes, you know what I'm saying, in the morning to start my day. And I feel like that's what this is. There's an earthly mother, there's a biological mother, and then there's another type of mother on a higher level, okay? Like also probably a God with the lowercase g, or a God head energy, okay? And this energy is supposed to be a match with me, but for some reason, I think it's materials, and like I said last night, materialistic gain, financial gain. You know, this person, you know, I feel like there could be some kind of loving situation, or what somebody thinks is love, because of gifts and things of this nature. I feel like these people they kind of match each other's fly, but it's only because they're taking from the mouths of the children or the people. They're stingy and greedy and obsessive, okay? And they try to use money and might in order to control the narrative or the situation for others, the more powerful beings than they are, okay? The more spiritual beings, trying to call them off as crazy or something, but these people are fucking insane, okay? It's them that's lost their mind. Now, mind you, when it comes to people, you know, people within your family, so-called, supposedly your blood family, supposedly, that's what made me think, like, what the fuck? Who am I and where the fuck did I come from, okay? We got the Strength card in reverse, and we got the King of Cups in reverse. So this is definitely dealing with a lover situation. This King of Pentacles right here could be a feminine energy, okay? Because when it comes to the King and Queen of Pentacles, well, in this deck, not so much. Because in this deck, the King of Pentacles only got one pentacle, and he really all dried up and washed up, okay? His abundance is not there. It kind of looked like death here. Like this King of Pentacles is in a shallow grave on this card. But normally, you know what I'm saying, with the regular deck, he's got all kind of fruitfulness around him, but all the fruit is not there anymore in this image, okay? And we do have the two bulls, the Taurus energy standing behind him, and we have the lion, okay? We have the Taurus on his right, the Taurus or the bull energy on his left. We got, I don't know what the hell this is, a raccoon? hold on. Oh, okay, this is like maybe some floral energy here on his throne with something decapitated or decrepit underneath his right hand. Something distorted is underneath his right hand in this image here. And then we have the lion here, you know what I'm saying, on his, wait, this is under his right hand. Under his left hand, well, in his left hand, got the pentacle, okay? And under his left hand on his throne, there's clearly a lion, okay? So this is talking about beast of the field energy here, okay? This may be how this King of Pentacle or King of Pentacle in general gets their wealth, okay? This might be even somebody that's cut off from the fruits of thine labor, okay? So this could definitely be a feminine energy here that's about to be cut off or has been cut off from the fruit. So again, whatever they're showing you is not how they really living, okay? And I feel like it causes some kind of revenge mentality on somebody to try to attack maybe a womb or attack or make it seem as though, okay? There's something strange going on here, okay? There's a dynamic here where an enemy, it's like family members are sleeping with an enemy, okay? Out of spite. Out of spite, okay? They refuse to look at their Lord or their God energy or their daughter for who she is, I feel, okay? Or son energy. And so this Lover's card being next to this King of Pentacles is giving me energy of too many people being involved. And matter of fact, these do look like peaches on this tree. These do look like peaches. Okay. Yeah. Right. Oh, okay, hold on. Watch as soon as I start talking again. Okay. So yeah, these do look like peaches or oranges on this tree with this serpent crawling up it, okay? And matter of fact, it damn near looked like a palm tree or a tree with a really skinny trunk that doesn't really have bark on it. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Yeah. Yeah, because I don't know, man. With this serpent here and with this energy, just I feel like there's a feminine in disguise. Remember I told y'all, you know, that it's like some of these masculines be on some whole shit, right? And how, like, I've even seen very feminine at certain times of despair. I've seen the feminine energy, like, in somebody with, like, tears, and it made me lose some kind of, I don't know. I guess because it's at a time in my life when I needed a strong male energy or a masculine energy. And the way that these masculines were operating were more feminine. I don't know. That's got me looking at something here. This is different right here. Let's just go ahead and read and see what's going on here. Yeah, okay, so we got the strength in reverse. So again, that's the strength card. You know, people look at it as, you know, somebody having strength or something like this. But again, I look at the strength card sometimes as a manipulative card. I look at that feminine energy as a manipulator or a magician. You know, like those two little things on the top of her head look like little devil horns, okay? And then this card right here, this strength card in reverse is the one where the lion is pissed off and has stood its grounds and is standing up and knocking this woman down onto her knees. Now society is trying to knock me down. I'm hearing that song, When It Knocks You Down, okay? Love knocks you down, okay? The only reason why like I said, if I lose the energy of a masculine right now, that I'm not concerned, it's because it would be spell work being used. It wouldn't be like the same as if, you know, you just minding your business and you in love with your husband and some woman just, you know, he randomly falls in love with another woman. No, this is premeditated spell work. We're dealing with demons and other entities that are coming into people in their sleep in order to take from them in the 3D, in the real life. So it's a succubus energy. You see what I'm saying? So me holding back my fruitfulness or whatever, okay, my good and plenty or something like that, okay, must be to some damn body at some point in time, okay, because of the treatment, okay, because of what I feel like is disrespect. You know what I'm saying? And it's almost like, okay, so then, you know, it's plans of moving forward in some kind of direction here, because something is not adding up. And it's also because of betrayal. You see what I'm saying? Who, like, like, I don't even know. Like, I'm kind of getting sick to my stomach, actually, what I feel like is coming in this text. Because it's going, I don't know. So I feel like something is about to happen that's going to change the whole dynamic of something here, okay? Because at this point in time, I'm not afraid to lose things in my life right now, okay? But at the same time, you know, I don't know, I'm just having a different, I don't know. Let's read. Yes, let's continue to read. Because it's almost like somebody, this strength card is telling me that somebody is basically not standing up to this energy. Okay, if it was in the upright, I'm going ahead and put it there. If it was in the upright, this make me think with this King of Pentacles, this Lover's card, and this Lion right here attacking. Okay, this made me think we dealing with a masculine that's actually on some whole shit. Like I said, and actually Hosea or Hosea, you know, that's like the whore of Babylon, or like the one that's laying with the merchants, right, for jewels and money and cars and clothes and hoes. Okay, that's the energy, like I said, that with this Lord energy, okay, this Lord is all caps and powerful, because it may be a King of Pentacle energy, okay, that can maneuver shit with money. But the thing is, all this money is not theirs. This could be a feminine energy that has been getting something from another feminine energy. Okay, now this one of these one of these people may be masculine when it comes to leadership, okay, and rulership, but feminine in all other ways. And then we can have somebody that look feminine on the outside, but they really a whole entire masculine. Okay, I'm just saying, that's what I feel like we're dealing with here. Okay, you know, while one, cause I was just saying, like, you know, when it comes to, You leaving?